Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Devon Road and we are giving you a drone tour of the Halo. Now Kingston skyline is changing rapidly and one of the latest developments attracting attention is the Halo apartments at 7 Devon Road in Kingston 10. This modern residential project represents the growing demand for luxury urban living in Jamaica and is another sign of the capital city's booming real estate market. Located just minutes from New Kingston and Halfway Tree, Halo Apartments offers residents the convenience of living close to major business centers, shopping malls, restaurants, schools, medical facilities, and entertainment. For many professionals and families, location is one of the biggest selling points of this development. The project features sleek contemporary architecture with spacious apartments designed to maximize natural light through large floor-to-ceiling windows. Inside, residents can expect open-concept living spaces, modern kitchens, stylish bathrooms, and premium finishes that reflect international standards. Halo also offers a range of upscale amenities designed to provide a comfortable lifestyle. These include a rooftop infinity swimming pool with panoramic views of Kingston, a modern fitness center, elegant lobby areas, elevators, secure parking, controlled access, and 24-hour security. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, in terms of the architecture of the building, this is one of the nicest I have seen in Jamaica. And in terms of Kingston, this one is right up there with Central, which is being built on off Constant Spring Road. Very nice building. Job well done by the architects. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.